In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a payment to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you've received a customer payment and need to match it to the correct invoice, QuickBooks Online makes that process simple. The key is to enter the payment carefully so your records stay accurate and your invoice shows as paid or partially paid, depending on the amount received. Let's walk through it together. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Create menu by clicking the plus sign labeled New. This is where you'll find many of the most common transaction forms used in QuickBooks. From there, go to the Customer section and select Receive Payment. This opens the payment form where you'll record the customer's payment and apply it to an open invoice. Next, choose the customer who made the payment. As soon as you select the customer, QuickBooks will usually display that customer's outstanding invoices. This helps you quickly identify which invoice still needs payment. Now review the payment date. In many cases, QuickBooks may fill in today's date automatically, but you can update it if the payment was received on a different day. It's a good idea to make sure this date is correct, since it affects your financial records and reporting. After that, select the payment method used by the customer. For example, this could be cash, check, credit card, or another method you use in your business. Choosing the right option helps keep your records organized and easier to review later. Then enter the payment amount exactly as received. This is especially important if the customer paid only part of the invoice, or if they paid multiple invoices separately. Always make sure the amount matches what actually came in. Once the amount is entered, look through the list of outstanding invoices and check the invoice you want to apply the payment to. Be sure you select the correct one, especially if the customer has several open invoices with similar amounts. Next, choose the deposit account where the payment will be placed. This should be the account that reflects where the money is going, such as your checking account or undeposited funds, depending on how you manage deposits in QuickBooks. Before saving, take a moment to review all the payment details. Confirm that the customer is correct, the payment amount is accurate, and the intended invoice is selected. A quick review here can help prevent bookkeeping errors. When everything looks good, click Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you need to enter another payment right away. And that's how to apply a payment to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.